band before, so these guys were gracefully enough to join me on this one and learn it with me. But I hope you guys enjoy it, man. It's the next single that I'm dropping. It goes like this. Like a Bible with no Jesus, like a promise with no keeper. Said, all my life I've been a sinner. Never trusted what I've seen. Then I caught a glimpse of heaven in your eyes and somehow made a believer out of me. Didn't know what I was missing. I didn't know this kind of love. And I've wasted so much time drifting through this world of mine, justified. Before you I was like a Bible with no Jesus, like a promise with no keeper. Finding I can live forever but never find forgiveness. Like the moon without the sun, there'll be no one to line me up. Like Mozart without the music, without you I'll be useless. Without you I'll be useless. Whoa. Now it's all a distant memory. All my life without you here. If this devil on my shoulder, it gets weaker as I get sober, and I realize I was lost around the end. Like a Bible with no Jesus, like a promise with no keeper. Like finding I can live forever but never find forgiveness. Like the moon without the sun, there'll be no one to line me up. Like Mozart without the music, without you I'll be useless. Without you I'll be useless. Whoa. Without you I'll be useless. Without you I'll be useless. Like a Bible with no Jesus, like a promise with no keeper. Like finding I can live forever but never find forgiveness. Like the moon without the sun, there'll be no one to line me up. Like Mozart without the music, without you I'll be